Wednesday, June 16, 2021, to do another 4 boxes of brand new 2021 Panini Prizm Draft Pace Collegiate Football. Hobby boxes, random teams number 9. We just drew your teams that were on trades. Ray 32 got the Jets, Jay Yang Seahawks, T Carroll with the Niners. Tommy Saints, Pro got the Patriots and Jaguars. Ray 32 Rams, T Soul with the Bengals. Ryan Washington, B Berg Lions. Emery Chiefs, J Welch Cardinals, Juanita with the Broncos, R Holland Buccaneers, J Ng Vikings, Volley with the Raiders. William Giants, Rob W Texans, Emery Cowboys, Pearl with the Steelers, GBS with the Packers, Juanita Ravens, B Berg Browns, Riot 13 Panthers, Screever with the Bears, Rob W Falcons, B Berg Titans, Daily Fantasy Philadelphia, Kiss with the Dolphins, Pearl Chargers, JBS Colts, and Pearl with the Bills. All right, so tomorrow we actually have a couple of new 2021 products. Well, one that we have, they're kind of new, but we haven't done them yet. So we have a 6-box Ultimate Leaf Draft Football tomorrow for 6-box random teams. And then we're also doing some more Prizm Draft, but it's going to be a 4-box mixer, 2 hobby boxes, and 2 brand new hybrid boxes. I think hybrid actually came out last week with hobby, but we didn't do any last week. So it's going to be the first 4-box random of Prizm Draft next week. That. Oh baby, we finally got one. I was wondering. Actually, I was wondering earlier today before I came in. I was like, I wonder when we're gonna pull one of them. Check something real quick. Oh, interesting. I wonder how you got a blast in. Oh, by technicality, okay. Wait, we'll see. All right, anyways, box 1, Nick Chubb. First auto is a Trey Smith, 5 out of 149 blue Prizm. Trey Smith auto. Blue Priz. Chiefs, Kansas City. Select football is coming up next. Red Wave, Justin Herbert, 2nd-year Sherbert. Kyle Pitts, Red Prizm for the Falcons to $2.99. Kyle Pitts, Red Prizm Crusade. Silver Derek Carr. Zach Wilson for the Jets, rookie base. Trey Lance for the 49ers. And a color blast. Oh, damn, just as beautiful as I remember the last time I pulled one. Jamie Newman, who is currently undrafted. That's why I was like I'm just like so confused why he even got a color blast. But Jamie Newman, but he was associated with the Philadelphia Eagles. He was recently waived, but he was with the Eagles. So this, by technicality, because he was the only team, NFL team that he's been associated with, that's going to go out to Philadelphia. Jamie Newman, color blast. I mean, hopefully he gets picked up by somebody else, but Daily Fantasy got the Eagles. And these are pretty rare. That's what I was so confused when I was looking them up. I was like, huh? Tom Brady base card. Connor Weddington, 89 of 99, purple cracked ice. Weddington's going out to the Seahawks. Looks cool though. Aziz Ojulari, rookie, red wave. Ronald Jones, purple cracked ice to 149. Trey Sermon, silver prism for the Niners, rookie. Mike Evans, Kirk Cousins, 142 to 199. Jordan Smith, red prism rookie auto. Yeah, because I was looking at, you know what reminded me of the color best? Because I was looking at the Trevor Lawrence one today, and I was like, damn, that would be so sick to hit. Jordan Smith for the Jaguars. Red Wave Cam Akers. Teddy Bridgewater blue prism to 199. Henry Ruggs silver. Chris Evans and a Mac Jones All-American for the Patriots. Antonio Gibson, Amari Cooper. Ellerson Smith, silver prism rookie auto. Ellerson, New York Giants. Jordan Love, blue cracked ice, 99. Trevon Moehrig, blue wave for the Raiders to 249. Greg Rousseau, rookie silver. Aziz and Chuba Hubbard, rookie. Joe Mixon, Ryan Tannehill, and there you go, Pearl. Didn't have to wait long, buddy. Boom! 89 and 149 blue prism. Well, see you undrafted Color Blast. Red Wave Chuba Hubbard. Jarvis Landry blue red prism, 299. Cam Newton silver as a Trevor Lawrence Crusade for Jacksonville. All-American Rashad Bateman. All right, a few more teams gone from Impeccable. Fill it up, guys. Fill it up. Pretty much the only team left to fill. Then Impeccable PYT. Just discounted. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teams left in Impeccable. Well, the last break still has some spots, but that's going to fill up pretty fast. Justin Jefferson, Redemption. Okay, Redemption. Falcons, Orange Pulsar. I think those are number to 49. Falcons, Kyle Pitts. Congrats, ATL. 4th pick in the draft. The slept on Falcons. Red Wave Aziz. Blue Prism Michael Pittman, 199. Silver Prism Dylan Moses. Sean Wade, Rakeem Boyd. Derek Carr, Ruggs. 122 to 199, Christian Darrisaw. Red Prism, Christian Darrisaw. Darrisaw Vikings, Minnesota. Matt Ryan, Red Wave. Red Prism, Gregory Rousseau, 299. Silver, Chris Godwin. Cam Newton, Todd Gurley, Cade Johnson auto, Hyper Prism. Let's see who Cade going out to. Seahawks, Seattle. Chuba Hubbard Red Wave, and a gold Alvin Kamara Saints. 4 out of 10 gold. Tyson Campbell Silver Prism. Terry McLaurin, Matt Ryan, Tommy Togaya Rookie Auto Base. Tommy Togaya, Cleveland Browns. Gardner Minshew Red Wave. Marquise Stevenson Rookie Orange Pulsar, 15 out of 49. Silver Big Ben Roethlisberger, J.C. Horn Rookie, Terrace Marshall. Gardner Minshew, Brandon Ayuk, a Monty Rice Auto, 189 to 199 Red Prism, Rookie Auto Monty Rice. Tennessee Titans, Monty Rice. Blue Cracked Eyes Rookie, Jeremy Owosu. That's numbered 40 of 99. Red Prism Chase Claypool for Pittsburgh to 299. And Rookie Silver Crusade Terrace Marshall Jr. closing out box 2. Box 3. Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Josh Johnson, base rookie auto. Ask going to see. Damn, Seattle got a bunch of rookies. Josh Johnson, Seattle Seahawks. Red Wave Kenyon Drake. Red Prism Henry Ruggs for the Raiders, $2.99. Silver second year Joe Burrow collegiate base for the Bengals. Rashad Bateman, Patrick Jones. Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones, auto to Daryl Slayton, 47 of 75 blue cracked ice. To Daryl Slayton. To Daryl, where you going? To Daryl. There you are. Packers, Green Bay, blue cracked ice. Red Wave, Greg Rousseau. And a Tylan Wallace rookie orange pulsar, 25 out of 49. Silver Sage rookie base for, not sure, forget, Mac Jones, Patriots. Double check on that one. Pull them a bunch. Lions is right. Sage with the Lions. Julio Jones, Carson Wentz. Auto of Patrick Jones, the second base auto. Vikings with the Patrick Jones. Alvin Kamara Red Wave. Blue Brandon Cooks to 99. Brandon Cooks 55 of 199 to 99. Brandon Cooks to 99. Brandon Cooks. Brandon Cooks to 99. Brandon Cooks to 99. Larry Fitzgerald, Jimmy Garoppolo. Hunter Long Auto Hyper Prism. Let's see, Hunter Long is for the Dolphins. Hyper Miami. Rondell Moore Red Wave. Rookie Red Prism Aziz, 22 to 299. Silver Rookie Javon Holland. Trevor Lawrence Crusade Jacksonville. Base. Another Bateman rookie. Brandon Cook to 99. Brandon Cooks Patty Fisher, base rookie auto. What's going on with his auto? Patty Panthers. Red Wave David Johnson. Quiddy Pay Purple Cracked Ice. 52-149. Matt Stafford Silver for the Rams. Sage and Javon. All right, last box of the break. Then we're going to switch gears to select football next. Last box. If you're waiting for the Contenders Impeccable number 2, that's going to be after select football, which is next. Select football is going to be first. Tyler Boyd, Josh Jacobs, a Tim Jones auto, Silver Prizm, Tim Jones. Timothy Jaguars, Tim Jones. Red Wave Juju Smith-Schuster, Blue Wave Rondale Moore rookie, 198 to 249. Silver Prizm Jared Goff for Detroit, Rondale Moore, and a Mac Jones for New England, rookie base card. Juju Smith, Kyler Murray, Jamar Jefferson auto, Silver Prizm Jamar Jefferson. Another JJ for the books. Detroit Lions, Silver Prizm. Quiddy Pay Red Wave rookie. And there's a nice red Prizm Justin Fields for the Bears, All-Americans. 103 to 299, red Prizm Fields. Chicago, Screever. Silver Jamar Chase, Javian Hawkins, and Devonta Smith. Jacob Eason, James Conner, Brandon Etchels, black gold Prizm parallel, 4 out of 5. Brandon Etchels. That Brandon is for the Jets. So didn't get a Zach Wilson yet, but 4 out of 5 black gold Brandon Etchels. Or Eccles. Kyler Murray, Red Wave. Brandon Cooks to 99. 29 of 75 to 99. Deebo Samuel Silver. Put this over here. Devontae Adams, Patty Mahomes base. That's a Greg Newsome, the second, 96 of 99, purple cracked ice. Greg Newsome. Cleveland Browns. And to go with your red Prizm is a red wave Justin Fields. Non-numbered red wave rookie. Bears. Second year purple cracked ice matching the collegiate team color. That's a pretty cool looking card. 28/149 Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Silver All-Americans Carlos Basham Boogie Jr. There's a white Zach Wilson base card for the Jets. Kyle Trask Bucks. Chris Godwin, Big Ben, and Elijah Mitchell is going to be the last auto of the break for the 49ers. Silver Prizm, Elijah Mitchell. San Fran. Jacob Eason, Red Wave. Blue Wave, James Robinson. That's the 249. Miles Sanders Silver, Elijah Moore, and Mac Jones closing it out. All right, folks, that was another 4 boxes of brand new 2021 Panini Prizm Draft Picks Collegiate Football. That was random team style number 9 of Hobby. Done on Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. All card ship. You will get all your base cards. Congrats, everybody. Got a nice hit or parallel. Yeah, more Prizm draft tomorrow. But like I said, it's going to be the first 4-box mixer of Hobby. It's going to be 2 boxes of Hobby and then 2 boxes of Hybrid, which also came out last week, but we haven't done a breakup yet. And it's a little bit cheaper, too, than the regular 4-box Hobby. So check that out tomorrow. All right, Select Football is next on the schedule. After Select Football will be the Impeccable Contenders number 2. We are still filling up Impeccable Full Case Hobby number 5, but it's getting close. Last I checked, there was 10 teams left. Impeccable Tiered Random for $9.30 is sold out. The Impeccable Single Box First Off Line 3 at 10 o'clock is sold out. And then we're still filling up. I think there's still some spots left in Impeccable Contenders number 3 for the end of the night. First Off Line number 3. All right, so we got one more football break, and then it's pretty much all Impeccable for the rest of the night. One more foosball break. Football. All right, let me go grab the select boxes because that break is ready to go. That's the first 15, don't it? PYT number 5 impeccable. I'm double checking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 teams left still. Okay, cool. Be right. All right, folks, I just discounted the last 10 teams in impeccable. Check it out. For PYT 5.